Welcome back. Today we're venturing deep into Russia, beyond the Red Square and palaces, to reveal 10 unbelievable places you've probably never heard of. Get ready for landscapes that look otherworldly, natural wonders that defy logic, and remote corners few ever see. Let's kick off this adventure and discover the real Russia. First up, Lake Baikal, an ancient marvel and a true wonder of the natural world. Nestled deep in the heart of Siberia, this lake is not only the oldest, but also the deepest on Earth, with a history stretching back over 25 million years. Its sheer size and age make it a living time capsule, holding secrets from the distant past. Lake Baikal contains an astonishing 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water, more than any other lake on the planet. Its waters are so pure and clear that they're often described as the blue eye of Siberia. In winter, Baikal undergoes a magical transformation. The surface freezes into a thick, glassy sheet of ice so transparent you can see up to 40 meters straight down, revealing a mesmerizing world beneath your feet. Adventurers flock here to skate, drive, and even camp, right on the frozen lake, experiencing the thrill of traversing this natural ice rink that stretches for hundreds of kilometers. The landscape is dotted with turquoise ice hummocks and jagged shards, sculpted by the wind and cold into surreal, almost alien formations that seem to belong to another planet. Baikal is also a sanctuary for unique wildlife, including the Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal species in the world. These playful creatures are found nowhere else, adding to the lake's sense of mystery and wonder. For centuries, local people have believed in the spiritual power of Baikal. Legends speak of its mystical energy, and many visitors report feeling a deep sense of peace and connection when they stand on its shores. Whether you come in the vibrant summer, when the shoreline bursts with wildflowers and the water sparkles in the sun, or in the frozen silence of winter, Baikal's beauty is breathtaking and unforgettable. It's a place where you can truly feel the raw force of nature. In every season, Lake Baikal stands as the soul of Siberia, a timeless, awe-inspiring wonder that continues to captivate all who visit. Next, we head to the Lena Pillars, towering stone columns along the Lena River in the Sakha Republic. Formed over millions of years by freeze-thaw cycles, these pillars rise nearly 1,000 feet, creating a stone forest straight out of a fantasy. Getting here is an adventure, often by river cruise from Yakutsk, the world's coldest city. Standing among these ancient giants, you'll understand why it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now let's journey to the wild and untamed Kamchatka Peninsula, an extraordinary region in Russia's far east and one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. With over 300 volcanoes, including 29 that are still active, Kamchatka's landscape is constantly being reshaped by powerful natural forces. This remote land is sculpted by both fire and ice, where steaming vents and frozen rivers exist side by side. The peninsula is so isolated that it's accessible mainly by helicopter or rugged, all-terrain vehicles, making every visit feel like a true adventure into the unknown. Here, you'll discover vast black volcanic deserts, ancient glaciers, and some of the world's largest brown bears fishing for salmon in pristine rivers. The wildlife is as dramatic as the scenery, with eagles soaring overhead and foxes darting through the underbrush. Stand at the edge of a smoldering volcanic crater, feeling the heat rise from the earth, or soak in a natural hot spring surrounded by snow-capped peaks and endless wilderness. The contrasts here are breathtaking. Kamchatka is more than a destination. It's an expedition to the edge of the world, where nature's raw power and beauty are on full display, waiting to be explored. In the Caucasus Mountains stands Mount Elbrus, Europe's highest peak and one of the 7 summits. It's a challenging but accessible climb, drawing adventurers from around the globe. The surrounding region offers lush valleys, unique cultures, and epic scenery. Reaching the summit rewards you with breathtaking views across the Caucasus. On Lake Onega lies Kizhi Island, home to the Kizhi Pagost, an open-air museum of wooden churches built without a single nail. The Church of the Transfiguration, with its 22 domes, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Walking the island feels like stepping back in time, surrounded by historic wooden structures and serene beauty. Kizhi is a testament to human artistry and tradition. Back in Kamchatka, the Valley of Geysers is one of the world's largest geyser fields, second only to Yellowstone. Discovered in 1941, This 6-kilometer basin erupts with steam, boiling water, and vibrant colors from thermophilic algae. Access is strictly controlled only by helicopter and boardwalks to protect its fragile ecosystem. It's a living, steaming landscape that feels prehistoric. Near Krasnoyarsk, Stolby Nature Reserve is a playground of bizarre, towering rock pillars hidden in dense taiga forest. Locals have created a unique climbing culture, often scaling these rocks without ropes. Trails wind through the forest, making it a favorite escape for city dwellers. Stolby is where nature and urban life blend into a vibrant outdoor culture. In the remote Urals, the Manpupune rock formations, 7 towering stone pillars, stand shrouded in legend. Formed by millions of years of erosion, they're also known as the 7 Strong Men. Local Mansi legends say they're giants turned to stone. Reaching them requires a helicopter or a grueling trek, but the sight is unforgettable. Standing alone with these ancient sentinels is truly humbling. In Russia's westernmost region, the Curonian Spit stretches for 98 kilometers, forming a slender, breathtaking sand dune strip that separates the vast Baltic Sea from the tranquil Curonian Lagoon. This unique landform is so narrow in places that you can see water on both sides, creating a dramatic and unforgettable landscape. The Curonian Spit is a world of shifting dunes sculpted by the wind, dense pine forests, and the enchanting dancing forest, where pine trees twist and spiral into mysterious, almost magical shapes. Walking here feels like stepping into a fairy tale, with every turn revealing something new and unexpected. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Spit is celebrated for its extraordinary natural beauty and its delicate, ever-changing ecosystem. It's a place where rare plants and animals thrive, protected by the unique environment created by the interplay of sand, water, and wind. Here, land, water, and wind are in constant motion, shaping the dunes and coastline day by day. The sound of waves crashing on the shore and the sight of endless sand create a sense of peace and wonder. The Curonian Spit is more than just a natural wonder. It's a serene, magical escape where you can reconnect with nature, explore charming fishing villages, and experience the quiet beauty of this remarkable place. Our final stop is the Mirny Diamond Mine in eastern Siberia, a colossal open-pit hole over 500 meters deep and 1.2 kilometers wide. The airspace above is closed to helicopters due to dangerous downdrafts. Built in 1955, the mine produced billions in diamonds and shaped the town of Mirny. Today, it's an awe-inspiring, surreal scar on the landscape. The Mirny mine is a testament to human ambition and the extremes of resource extraction. That's 10 of Russia's most unbelievable places, from Baikal's icy depths to the Mirny mine's vast chasm. I hope you're inspired to add a few to your travel bucket list. Which spot blew your mind? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.